Hi, come unbox the new pink Munbyn, I think that's how you pronounce it, thermal printer. I did order some large bags to ship. There they are. Got some bows, and there it is, the Munbyn. We're gonna be doing our own labels, and it's gonna be quick and easy with this machine. Let's open the box. So inside you have quite a few things. There's like a little loose leaf catalog, and it shows you your options for sticker paper, the cord to charge it, and more instructions. There's some additional paper, a USB drive, jump drive to connect it to your printer. Thank you. There's the printer, it's so cute. Oh, there's more of the charging cables. Nothing to see here. And let's try to get this sucker out the box. Okay. Some sticker paper. So the sticker paper that it comes with is this one, the generic shipping paper. Okay, so it's actually the 4x6. So it is this one. I just measured it. I can't wait to make some stickers and to not have to use the bigger printer that I have here. It's gonna be so quick and easy at the click of a button, hopefully anyway. Okay, let's go ahead and print our label. We got an order last night, so let's print with our Munbyn. So I'm gonna show you guys how to calibrate the printer. Yeah, let me show you. So there's two knobs on the sides. I'm gonna pop them both open. You pull the paper through the back. I tried to align it as much as possible. You're gonna close it, that's blinking. Make sure it's on. Close it. All right, it aligned it to the front of the printer. You can see that's pretty spot on. We have a blue light, so let's go ahead and print our first label. So in the settings, you have to go and actually create the paper size. So when you go to create the paper size, you go to printer preferences, and then you have to make a new one. I had to figure that out. So you make new, and the paper size is 102 millimeters by 152 millimeters. So you put 102 by 152, and then you would name it, you know, the 4x6, and then okay, but whatever, I already made one. So once you make it, it'll show up here. You just hit okay. I'm gonna hit cancel for this example. Over here you will see the 4x6. So let's print our first label. And there's our label. Just rip it off. Anyways, I did a test page already, so yeah,